Yes, you do. I want this. Today, I will do this. Versus this. And then I'm just gonna do some crazy stuff. A couple backflips, anything. And please make sure to comment and subscribe and like. You go. I'm going to do a giveaway. This. No modification. Is $85. Alright, let's do this. Okay, go get the stuff. See you in a couple seconds. Enjoy. Short clip. Alright, I am back. I am going to put this in position. For a couple seconds, I'm waiting so I can get it. Some stuff, just don't mind me. I can put some video games. Seriously, you guys are gonna watch this. And have fun. Alright, start watching. It looks like the truck won. And now, guys, if you don't already know my channel, start watching it a lot. Alright, now, see ya. Let's have some fun, but stay awesome. And stay watching my channel. Alright, bye.